All right, so this is a half-life calculation that they use to carbon date an item. And so it says that because carbon um, has a half-life of 5,730 years, that means every period of 5,730 years, there's half of the original amount or the previous amount of carbon. Okay, so what you can do on this in order to solve this problem, you want to find what percent remains after 2,500 years. So you'll first just calculate this quantity for each of the values. So put 2,500 here, and then put 5,000, and then put 10,000. Okay, now this is a perfect example of using the with key to solve this. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to type in my expression. So 100 times the quantity 1/2, I'm just going to mark it as 0.5 to the power of, and in parentheses I'm going to put I'll put t divided by 5730. And then I'm going to use my with key here. So I'm going to say with t equal, and my first example is 2,500. So I hit enter and I get my answer about 73.9%. And now I'm going to use my 5,000. So all I need to do for that is just put take away the 2, put an extra 0 on there, hit enter. So I get about 54.62% or 0.6%. And then my 10,000, again, just going to go change the 5 to a 10. Hit enter, and I get 29.8%. Okay, so there's part A. Part B, I don't think I asked you to do. Part C. And this one, it wants you to identify how much time, how much time has passed if you found a bone with 37% of the carbon. So here we know our P value. So now we're going to plug that in for P. Set it equal to our equation 100 times 1/2 to the, our T is our unknown here. And so if we use the solve feature of our calculators, solve for T, we should get our solution. Okay, so solve and set equal 37 is equal to 100 times 0.5 to the power of T over 5730. Solve for T. Okay, and when I do that, I get my answer. T is equal to about 8,219 or so years. I don't know what I had you round it to.